This short video will show you how to use the Technology Effectiveness Translation Tool, also known as TETT. This tool was developed to communicate the significance of the results of the SURF roadmap. The SURF roadmap is a study aimed at showing that there's justification for further investment in cryogenic cooling as applied to RF signals. And this tool was developed to communicate the significance of the roadmap results in an interactive way. First, let's get familiar with the basic layout of the screen. On the left is the index. Each of these circles, which we call nodes, have a category, and each category has a color. And you can see that mapping in the index, so that we know, for example, that sensitivity is an RF system attribute and 4K cooler is a project. On the right, this grey box allows you to control the graph visually, to zoom in and out, and to change the size of the nodes. By the way, this is a plain old web page. It looks fancier because it's written in Flash, but to access the tool you just need to click on a link. This one is on surfsandiego.com, and this should run on anyone's computer. So the most important thing that you need to know is that the tool has two modes of operation. The mode that we're in now is the exploration mode. You can see that here. And we also have a funding mode, which I'll show you in a sec. The exploration mode, which we're now in, is aimed more as an education tool to show how measured performance and system functions are related to projects and physics. It's a fairly complex relationship, hence all these crazy lines and nodes. Also on the lines, you'll see a little grey number, and this is our way of showing what the strength of the connections between nodes is. There are two things you might want to do while you're in exploring mode. First, you need to know that double-clicking on a node makes it the center, and then you can use the degrees of separation slider to remove some of the higher degrees of separation and narrow in on what you're trying to see. In this case, we can see what RF system functions, physics, and system overhead resources affect the angle of arrival, measure of performance. And then if you want to get a broader picture, you can go all the way out. By the way, this is our first attempt at making this sort of user interface, so it can no doubt be improved. We hope that the next version won't need a video to explain it. So now to funding mode, which I get to by clicking switch to fund. This is the same data, it's just in a slightly different form. And sometimes you need to grab the graph to pull it into the center so you can see it more clearly. Funding mode shows how investment will affect the goals of the battlefield commander. For example, a digital counselor is a project that I might want to fund. Clicking on its title will bring up this box which has a fund this project button, and when I click that I can see the causal paths through which the funding flows, eventually affecting a goal. The goals are these yellow nodes, and you can see that identify targets quickly has been affected 33%. What that percentage means is it shows how close we are to obtaining that goal. One of the important features that we want to get across is that you can see how drivers are affected by combined funding streams. Say if another investor were to fund the 4K cooler, you can see how locate targets quickly has been upgraded to 72%, so that one's a lot closer to being done. And the 4K cooler has quite an effect on a lot of things. So this is still a work in progress. We would love to hear your feedback after you've played around with it a bit. And thanks for watching.